Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to say thanks to God Almighty because has given us an opportunity so we can gather in this station to deliver my research paper. My name is Fanya Ridanti. I'm from Mathematics Education Study Program, Postgraduate School, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, Bandung. So, in this situation, I would like to present my paper. The title is Student Error in Solving Mathematical Problems based on Newman Procedure. The first is introduction. Entering the 21st century, the role of information and communication technology is growing rapidly. The rapid development of information and communication technology is based on the development mathematics. Mathematics plays an important role in advancing the thinking power of students. Through learning mathematics and giving questions, students can practice thinking pattern critically, logically, creatively, and systematically. This competence is needed so that students can acquire, manage, and use the information to survive in ever-changing, uncertain, and competitive conditions. Based on the result of data from TAMSS, Trend in International Mathematics and Science Study in 2015, showing that the average score of mathematics achievement in Indonesia is ranked 44 out of 49 countries. Based on PISA, Program for International Student Assessment in 2009, it shows that almost all Indonesian students only master lesson up to level 3, while many other countries have mastered it up to level 4, 5, even 6. Low ability in internal factor causes low mathematics learning outcomes, which is indicated by, among other things, mistake made by students in solving math problem. The method of this paper used qualitative research with a case study design. The purpose of this study was to determine the type of error, causes, and to overcome student error, especially in solving mathematical problems related to fraction. The subject of this study were 3 students of grade 4 of elementary school in Padang. The data collection used written test and interview. The result and discussion. Based on the result of the analysis of student answer, the result obtained by the student classified according to the Newman procedure, namely reading error, comprehension error, transformation error, calculation error, and writing answer error. The classification of the type error made by student can be seen in the following table. We can see the table 1 is recapitulation of student error in solving story question on material fraction by item question with the Newman method analysis. We can see the problem. The question is, Annie made a large cake which was cut into 16 equal parts. After school, Annie's sister ate 4 divided by 16 of the cake. How much of Annie's cake is left? We can see the error are. The first is reading error. Reading error are error made by students if they are wrong or cannot read the word, symbol, or numbers that are the core of the problem, resulting in an error in the process of solving the next problem. Example of error made by student on this question based on interview except are. Let's read the problem. Annie make a big cake which is cut into 6 equal parts. How much is it divided into? 6. Oh, 16 parts. Based on the interview except, it can be seen that student had an error in reading numbers 16 to 6. A student continue to use the information at the stage of understanding the problem and the calculation process, then the result obtained by student will be wrong, even though the step and process carried out later are correct. We can see the second is comprehension error. Comprehension error also occurs with other students on the question. This is where the student has an error in reading what is known in the problem. Namely, in the first point with the explanation of Annie cake, it should be 16 divided by 16, but the student wrote 1 divided by 16. This happened because students do not understand the mathematical form of the sentence. 1 cake is cut into 16 equal parts. With this error, the student's final answer were wrong, even though they had carried out the transformation and calculation process correctly. The next is, to make the cake, the mother buy flour as much as 1 divided by 4 kilograms. After it was made, it turned out that the wheat flour that my mother bought was still lacking. So she then bought another 3/4 of kilogram of flour. How many kilograms of wheat flour did you buy in total? We can see the error is the first comprehension error. The student could not write down the thing that was asked correctly. Instead, he wrote the number and lack of part as the thing asked in the question, whereas the question sentence included in the question is how much total flour did you buy? The second is transformation error. With this error, student cannot determine the completion step in the problem transformation process correctly. Where transformation error occur, and student will make mistake in determine arithmetic operation. Student use subtraction operation to find the total with flour. Even though the operation used is the addition operation, this has an impact on the final answer of the question. Okay, the conclusion is the student conceptual error were found in the first is the error in addition of fraction. The second is error in subtraction of fraction. Student procedural error were found in the first is reading error in understanding the problem. Second is error in transformation. Next is error in the counting process, and the last is error in writing answer. The causes of this error is student do not understand what is meant by the solution to fraction and not familiar with fraction operation problem. Acknowledgement, we thank the student for their participation in the study. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.